Apple just dropped a bombshell. The brand new 14-inch MacBook Pro with the M5 chip is here, and it's not just faster, it's smarter, with up to 3.5x faster AI performance, a next-generation GPU, and a battery life that hits 24 hours. This might be the biggest leap since Apple Silicon began. The star of the show is Apple's M5 chip, featuring a next-generation 10-core GPU and, for the first time, a neural accelerator built into every GPU core. That means your Mac isn't just processing graphics, it's thinking. You get up to 3.5x faster AI performance than the M4, and a whopping 6x faster than the M1. So whether you're running local LLMs in apps like LM Studio, or generating images and draw things, the new MacBook Pro chews through AI workloads like never before. With up to 1.6 times faster graphics, 20% faster multi-threaded CPU performance, and double the SSD speed, everything from 3D rendering in Blender to video exports in Final Cut just flies. And Apple claims that it's now 7.7 times faster in AI video enhancement using Topaz Video AI compared to the original M1 MacBook Pro. But this isn't just about raw speed, it's about intelligence. The M5 MacBook Pro is built for Apple's next-gen AI platform, Apple Intelligence, with faster on-device LLMs, text-to-image tools, and smarter automation through shortcuts. It's basically a laptop that runs advanced AI completely offline, with privacy-first architecture baked into macOS Tahoe. The design stays iconic. That Liquid Retina XDR display still hits 1600 nits peak HDR brightness, and there's now a nano texture option for pros who want zero glare. You also get a 12-megapixel center stage camera, 6-speaker audio system, and up to 2 high-resolution external displays, all powered by that same sleek aluminum chassis. And yes, Space Black is back, darker, more durable, and fingerprint resistant. The new MacBook Pro still delivers Apple's signature edge, up to 24 hours of battery life, the same performance plugged in or on battery, and fast charge up to 50% in 30 minutes. And all this at the same starting price of $1,599 US. That's wild. Running on macOS Tahoe, the experience feels even more fluid. There's a redesigned control center, transparent menu bar, and smart, new Spotlight actions that let you send emails or create notes directly from search. Plus, live translation and intelligent shortcuts take advantage of the M5's neural engine, making the Mac feel alive in ways we've never seen before. And Apple isn't forgetting the planet. This MacBook Pro is made from 45% recycled materials, uses 100% recycled aluminum in the enclosure, and is built with 55% renewable electricity across Apple's supply chain. Even, the packaging is now 100% fiber-based, no plastic in sight. So, the new 14-inch MacBook Pro with M5 isn't just an upgrade, it's Apple's statement that the era of AI computing is officially here. What do you think? Is the M5 MacBook Pro your next laptop, or are you waiting for the M5 Max? Drop your thoughts below, hit that like button, and subscribe for more tech news.